everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Carla. Today I am back in the kitchen again, and today I'm going to be preparing a mango bread. Now I know you want to see how that will turn out, so if it is that you really want to see that, stay tuned. Alright, so here are the ingredients I'll be using to make my mango bread. I have here 1 cup sugar. I have 1/4 pound butter, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 eggs, a 1/4 pound of walnuts. That is what I'm going to be using for in the mango bread. 1.5 teaspoon baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. I have here the mangoes that I'm going to be using. So this is around 2 cups of mango, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and just a little over 1/2 teaspoon vanilla concentrate. And I use that amount because the vanilla concentrate is very strong, so I choose to use that amount. And here I also have 2 cups of sifted flour. Okay, so now I'm going to be creaming the sugar with the butter for about half an hour. Alright people, so guess what? Unfortunately my mixer just stopped working, so right now I have to be using my hands to cream the butter and the sugar. So this is going to take a much longer time than I expected, but I'm going to go on anyway. So now I have added the eggs. So now that I've added the eggs, I'm going to continue to mix the mixture together. Using my hands. Can't believe the mixer just left me a road. Alright, so I have, as I said before, I've incorporated the egg into the mixture, and I'm going to be mixing for about another minute or so. Then I'm going to be adding my mangoes. Alright, so at this time I'm going to be adding my 2 cups of mangoes. I want to get everything out, don't want to waste anything at all. And I'm going to continue to mix this. Alright, so now I'm going to be dealing with my dry ingredients. So to this I have already added the salt, the baking soda, and the baking powder. Now I'm going to be adding my nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, and I'm just going to be mixing these together to get them evenly distributed. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some dry ingredients to my mixture. I'm going to be adding this in small portions. Then I'm going to add some milk. Add another small portion. So I have added all the dry ingredients. And I'm just going to continue to cream this. until I get the correct consistency. Alright, now I'm going to be adding my vanilla. My vanilla extract. After which I'm going to be adding my nuts. Now I've only used a half of the amount that I had before because I'm leaving some for the toppings. Now I've already turned on my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to warm up until I place the cake in the oven. Alright, so my baking tin has already been greased. Now I'm going to be adding the mixture to the bowl, to the baking tin. I'm making sure that I get everything out. So I'm using my spatula, which will make that easier. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding my walnuts. Now remember that these were I didn't use all the walnuts. I have some in the mixture, and I had left these to garnish the top. I'm going to just kind of get them into the mixture some more. To get them further down in. Alright, so I'm now going to be putting this in the oven, allowing it to bake for at least 45 minutes, or if it needs more time, then I'll do that. And then I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. Alright, so my mango cake is finally finished. And I'm just showing you what it looks like. I'm also going to be cutting it on camera, but I'm just showing you what it is looking like before I actually cut. You can see that? I already know that it's very moist just by looking at it. Alright, so now I'm going to be cutting a slice of the mango cake. So I'm going to now remove it from the tin onto my tray. Oh, see that? You can just notice it really soft. Alright, I'm going to plate this. Alright, so I'm actually going to be tasting this on camera, so let me just get a slice. Let me just get a slice of this bread. Soft. Alright, let me just turn around the camera because I want you to see. I want to give you my real honest reaction. Alright, so that's the bread. Woo! Okay. My fork. Alright, so let me get a piece of this. And I'm going to give you my honest reaction. Alright. It is almost melting in my mouth. It is, let me, hold on there. Let me just take it up a little bit closer. Look at that. It is soft, so moist, Perfect amount of sugar. And there's some crunch because the crunch of the pecan, sorry, not the pecan, the walnut is just amazing. Everything is well proportioned. Nothing is overriding anything. This is like perfect. Perfect. I wish you could just taste it too. So nice. Oh my god. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Look at this. I am hardly applying any pressure. Look there. No, sir. Look at that. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. Let me tell you something. You have to try this. You have to try this mango bread. You have to try it. It's so delicious. This would be so nice with some vanilla ice cream. It would be so much nicer with some vanilla ice cream. Anyway, I don't want to have y'all drooling. The phone dropped. The phone can't even manage all of this right now, so it just dropped. Anyway, if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. To all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Please remember, give this video a thumbs up and watch those ads to support this channel. That's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Yeah, man, I wrap it up, you know? Yeah. This is such a beauty. No?